Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Listen and repeat and learn.
Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we will learn simple English conversations with pictures. Listen carefully.
I love shopping with you. It feels so nice whenever we read together.
I feel the same. Holding your hand makes me so happy.
Look at these fresh apples. Should we get some?
Yes, let's take them. I would also like to buy some oranges for you.
That's so sweet of you. You always take such good care of me.
Because you mean the world to me. Now let's grab some vegetables too.
Okay, but promise me that we will always shop together like this.
Always, my love.
These cookies look so yummy. Do you want to test first?
Only if you feed me.
Okay, but just one bite.
One bite is never enough with you.
By the way, what would you like to drink? Tea, coffee, or something cold?
Anything is fine as long as I am with you.
You always know how to make me smile.
Because your smile is my favorite.
Ah, that's so sweet of you.
Only you deserve sweet words.
Okay, now taste this cookie and tell me how it is.
Wow, it's so delicious. Just like you.
Are you tired?
No, I am fine. Walking with you feels good. Look, the weather is so nice today.
Yes, and your smile makes it even better. Do you walk here often?
Sometimes, but today feels special.
The road is quiet, isn't it?
Yes, only our footsteps are echoing.
Do you like evening walks?
Yes, especially with you.
Are you feeling cold?
A little, but this breeze feels nice. How far should we go?
As far as we don't get lost. Do you want to sit for a while?
No, let's keep walking. It's fun. Look at the sky, so many stars.
Yes, but you are shining brighter. Are you enjoying this walk?
Yes, I wish it never ended. Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but today your voice is enough.
Thanks for watching and don't forget this.